Wow, Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana and Sem TV GH so Wofreme Ajua searching. Ebusianfo Ora Kwame Adinkra our journalist ni show so na ensem we ekoso na densem na ekoso. Ora Kwame Adinkra mo ekire se NDC for mo ye greedy. Omo ye greedy mambofo akasa. Adenti na Ora Kwame Adinkra mo ekase. Ye wa ha na eye akwetia Ernest Kumi honorable may he so rest in peace efimu na ofimu no na akwetia seat na beda ho ntia say by election ekoso ho a NPP for a start omo yomo candidate NDC for nso yomo candidate campaign e bekoso anesa fofia ntwata na ye ministers na ye pilot na ye soldier for ekowu ya plane crash na nsem we beto odwa no plane crash na esi no ye honorable na ebusianfo plane crash ya esi ye nanim say ye honorable Mutala a oye member of parliament de ma Tamale Central eka ho nti say ho so no by election ekoso na eno na NPP fo mpanifo atro nkrata de ababontin say ye Tamale Central by election no enya dia omo ebe contest bi because of oye nekesia out to NDC party nti no we are sympathizing with them. And you know, there's no need say be contest with them. And can you say NDC for the kamuni pe wa mu dia rewu nkaja and nanka akwatia din so tete and also ye jem one want you say NPP de sebio manu desuma so aboa na wagu no Tamale Central de no ye ni painting NPP for ehun mo bo say ye nipa na wagu nti no ye contest NDC to da ye be contest ye akwatia de no Mementia says NDC for no omu behave so omu ye ni passing Ghana ha ni pain na but NPP for do omu ye ni painting no so NDC for ye NPP for do omu shut up mo kakana Ghana for nso do omu echi and can then ye won say all of a sudden the journalist for Ghana ha no mi na sorry in the name of say NPP supporters ni be cassette NDC nti omu ntiase e wa bra politics ni say journalist for mo Ghana ha bebre mu anyi wo politics mo te politics ase Muni nseme ekoso wa NDC for opposition omo akomo anu atum all of a sudden NDC baye esa nse journalist bia nya ne position nti no almost yenje omo adanya mana NPP for nkasa ora Kwame Adinkra e jese mu ye ni brief se mo contest se Tamale Central for say akwetia de no omo so NPP for mu nipa na ewu no na mo MPs bebrebe o parliament house ya mo ye supreme way e da de bio na mo de 1 seat per year ntin se me force
just want to show compassion and a two and is for no ayom candidate we are my primaries ayom candidate we are edomo omode omoboka and they are not expecting say NDC will just say they are my way no now they will not contest, they will contest but we share sane nkoma ene we di lawyer and their pekubi or say at times I oye ofamudie enti MPP ayo ofamudie say if that gesture will be reciprocated by NDC so be it omanya they should go ahead, but but he was also urging say so it will bring some level of laborliness our system who say it's not always about just elections, it's not always about getting seats, but it's about also showing say human beings are more important than just positions.
But listen, you see, it doesn't matter the amount of money I involve in NDC primaries. You understand me? One thing they should know is I'm corner MPP so this as a bit the winner election now. And you the department as a government in power. Because listen, me say me wa Akutia me to aba. NPP catch me say I'm withdraw in Akutia in Tamale because of death to Anna Omudema Haruna. Na NDC am 184 MPP 87. SAP Akutia 8 aka I mean to my NDC. Because with or without Akutia, it doesn't change NDC position. Okay. But at least MPP will need this to add up to their numbers. So it will sound like someone in this
insensitive. Insensitive.
Yeah, we are insensitive. Say, I did have moji. Most of it we are comedy a day. And to move who's independent. Listen, sometimes you see, can maybe this I said, look at the because they be pay a match because of that NDC you withdraw because the seat in the ground so you got nothing to lose until I withdraw. It will bring the tension down. In Takoya who crab also say and wasi. Namudi Obia will feel so if I only also my child. What else did you try legend media? What picture are you painting?
Yeah, but couldn't talk all. Okay, brother and talk all right, 3 want to be radio stations order and the others shut down. Kwame Japan proposes no by-election conviction for vacant MP seats.
That one too, I don't support it.
I was what's the proposal now?
Proposal they say Koba say MP ewua for vacant seats. Yema party na power no. Amunyi ni pamfamra. And these things, yes, I need to say we are not
no by-elections.
Yes, for vacant MP seats. Say about a seat in a vacant, and look what I say. Yes, you talk about same people in a while, Mama MPP Nimra. I don't think say all the votes are 2 years will be MP. No, it's because of MPP and NDC in quantity of tomato. So it's not independent winning, but sometimes we vote because of the personality involved. Obi Okrabia, Obeto NDC presidential, now Obeto MPP parliamentary because of the personality involved. Osha appear Kubia, but I go MPP winning, but don't see. Why? Because people don't say, oh, I can't say, election no one could be. Listen, it didn't because I could be lost on it's not because we are on a Akufa issue. As some okay after primaries and say, next election won't could be because I'm not for demanding too much. And the message was that Papa won't could be moved. And they say, oh, my age, a can of wine or the Babatineka. And so, tomorrow, number 2 can be so he shot himself in the foot. And people vote for certain so many reasons, not because of Mpatingwa. See the fact that me MPP ni na ma win election, na MPP ni was oh at the moment MPP to us. That's not fair. Ebia personality na oba ere na petomano. But this am the money by the MP.
All right. So we move on. Maybe let me run it all down to BOG Finance Ministry claims on good for oil deal raise concerns. Okay. Right here on Pure 95.7, I'll come back with your Pure I report. We're taking a short break. When we come back, we still have your Pure I report, and it's a political day today. So yes, the other politicians will also join us. This is a Pure Morning Drive.
Enyamia, Asidan Koma, Angel Rock Mixer, Abuami Pa, Maurapo Samadan Medigie, Tutu Siciariano, and now.
Emotional national security, we are Modia. Mahama Maeti as yes, a brantie, any Akokrajina wa. Akokura bewu eja abrantie nchegufu adu bewu eja ye mrantie ni nyina ye 2025 egufu adu wu ye mbrantie omane bu amamo na ewu ntimi so megina sa asem no so national security muntie megina sa asem no so eso ka se smama se mrantie bewu na akokura ate ase a maanu yin cheme o peni chembe biro betumi awo me dia manyin chene ya ne ba sharaf Bono so enyi cheme nti ono so bewu maama obewu no wu a me abranche misimi duru a misimi wu ansa ne ba sharafe wu ti se mi wu kwana ne ba no bedi Ghana man peni anu wadi na wo peni we o hye wu otu peni so ekufu ade chen ni bebre otumi hye owu ma no sami je fimu ni a hye owu ma ekufu ado ne ba womia national security emotional national security mu jimi mu se we no bone me ye take you on ye chi omo the anchor of 2 omo nsa because national threat na se muntu men chi omo a timemufo na politicians wiaye na ewu anasa to entem 2 omo na ma ho kire omo de ato yeso nti no e de anije bi ba yakoma mu no ye kan adwene ne ye feelings a mu ni se national security mu se ye mom ye afom mbranti meche ye mo de anchor of ato ye se mu de ehu bi ba to yeso de a Ghana fo nyina ready mu meche ye nyina akogum national security munchi ye nyina akogum mpo de amochime me bana ma